My philosophy is the more I empower people, the more powerful we become as a company. I started out originally as a striper in '94. Then I started my first business in '98. From there, we started United Paving in January 1st, 2000.
United Paving covers the whole state of California. We are licensed in Arizona and Nevada as well.
United Paving Company is a full-service asphalt and paving company. We do everything from potholes to new paves.
We do a lot of new construction development projects for general contractors, but we also do a lot of existing maintenance and repair. Retail centers, airports, motion picture studios, property management. We do cover maintenance and reconstruction projects a lot for industrial office properties. We do a lot of public works school districts work, and we pretty much cover every property type out there, including homeowners associations as well.
When it got started, I mean, it was very, very little. We worked out of a trailer.
Not level. If you dropped a pencil on one side, it'd roll to the other.
Maybe a crew of 4 guys, 5 guys.
Sharing a yard with a tow company, a repo yard.
It was very tough for those first guys.
Not having a bathroom or running water.
We didn't have all the equipment that was needed so that the guys can have an easy job.
The equipment we had when we started was a dump truck, a tool truck, a seal truck, and a seal tractor.
Nowadays, we have every piece of equipment that you can think of.
We have a very large fleet of equipment and a lot of crews.
The growth is what is so impressive. We have over 12 dump trucks, 6 Bobcats, 6 paving machines. That kind of arsenal behind you really helps when your client's in a jam.
Right now, we probably have a total of about 100 employees, close to 70 people in the field, and probably about 30 in admin.
Having a yard in Corona that's roughly about 4 acres, it's nice to be able to have that.
I've been at United since 2008, so it's been a great 16 years so far.
So I've been with the company for 21 years.
Definitely the culture at United is family-oriented. We're a big part of a team-oriented environment, and everyone in our team, we make it fun, and we all can count on each other to be giving it their best and working really hard.
You got to take care of your employees so that they can also love their job and do a great job.
We just enjoy it because of the people that we work with and the clients that we get to serve.
One of the key aspects of United Paving is respecting one another. And that's what we promote here.
Some of the core values that we have are trust and respect and quality.
I think the key to United Paving's success has been putting the right team together.
And I really feel that's what keeps people here. You're getting someone that's genuinely there to help and excited to help. And I think in this industry, that's rare.
And I think what sets us apart is the culture that we have that gets carried on over to our clients. They get to receive that experience.
We love to educate people.
That's our true passion. So we love partnering with our clients to help them achieve more and make them look good.
One of the ways we educate our clients is through a lunch and learn, which is basically an Asphalt 101 class.
People do feel more educated about the process. They feel more empowered. These tips enable them to look more professional in their job, and it helps them make better decisions.
Whether it be a small project, which is $1,500, a couple hundred square feet, all the way to several $1 million. We like to be able to educate them on what it is they're going to take to those stakeholders.
We're always working to be the top paving contractor that anyone can choose. We want to be known as a resource for education and expertise.
If I can educate that person and make them shine, oh, that's a good job.
What's great about United is that we truly will be here long after a project is complete. That's how we started the business. That's how we've continued on, is long-term relationships.
I believe relationships are everything in this industry.
When integrity counts. That's our motto, our tagline, and we definitely do what we say we're going to do, and you can count on us to be there long after a project's complete.
The reason clients should trust United Paving Company is because we're not in here to do one job for them. We want to be doing work for them today and 20 years from now.